Today we're going to talk about a day in the life of the macrobiotic lifestyle. So in order to live the macrobiotic lifestyle, you need a lot of macrobiotic food ingredients, not to mention your clothing, your housing material, your garden, and your body products. And I happen to have this very large, extensive pantry. I really took a room in my house and turned it into a pantry. Other people could use this room as anything else, but I decided to use it as a pantry, and I encourage you to do that. Use a room that you're not using and turn it into your pantry. It's our version of a medicine cabinet, because this food is our medicine. This food is what makes us healthy and productive and gives us the energy to lead this healthy lifestyle. And we have all our dried goods here. We have all of our sauces and seasonings. We have our sea vegetables, which we use extensively. I have a whole seasoning section on the end. I also have my baking section for my healthy desserts.